MSI reached out to challenge us to build a custom PC themed towards their limited edition gaming monitor. This monitor is number 2 of 15 and it was released to celebrate MSI selling 3 million gaming monitors in just 3 years. So let's see what inspiration we can take from this 165Hz IPS panel. I'll leave the monitor and build specs in the video description. And could we just give MSI a huge congrats in the comments section? Today's video is sponsored by JLC PCB. JLC PCB sell 1 to 4 layer PCBs for as little as $2. If you're interested in electronics, you can sign up to get up to $18 worth of new user coupons. Choose your dimensions, amount of layers, the thickness of the PCB, and check out with ease. You can even upload your PCB files to have them make it for you. If you're interested in receiving the new user $18 coupons, make sure to sign up using the link in the video description, and a big thank you to JLC PCB for sponsoring this video. And here are the final results. I'll leave all of the specs in the description for the monitor and the build itself. As mentioned before, this monitor has a 165Hz IPS panel. This means that it produces more vibrant and accurate colors than a TN panel. And it also has much better viewing angles. The quantum dot technology also gives more vivid details and richer coloring. It is also a very responsive monitor, meaning that it's not only good for gamers, but good for content creators as well. Anyway, as I said, I'll leave all of the specs in the video description if you are interested. And a big thank you to MSI for partnering us for this PC build project. And as always, if you like the content, consider liking, consider subscribing. And if you'd like to help support the channel, YouTube or Patreon is the way to do that. I'll leave those links in the video description as well. I have a YouTube video right here that I am recommending for you guys. YouTube also has one that they're going to recommend as well. And hey, if you're interested in our content, why not check out another video? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.